Welcome back. In the previous video, we started solving this question and we considered the first part, which is probability that both balls are red. In this video, we will solve the second part of the question, probability that both balls are of different colors. So in this bag, we have 6 red balls and 4 blue balls, and a total of 10 balls. We are selecting 2 balls at random, one after the other with replacement. And we are finding the probability that both balls are of different colors. Probability that both balls are of different colors. We can see clearly from the diagram here that in the bag we have red balls and blue balls. So if we are selecting 2 balls and both balls are of different colors, it means that one ball is red and the other ball is blue. But here the order of selection is very important. Now this is what I mean by the order of selection. It's possible that the first ball we select is red and the second ball is blue. It's also possible that the first ball we select is blue and the second ball is red. So to find the probability that both balls are of different colors, we will have to consider these two possibilities. It's possible that the first ball is red and the second ball is blue. It's also possible that the first ball is blue and the second ball is red. So the probability that both balls are of different colors is going to be equal to, the probability that both balls are of different colors is going to be equal to the probability that the first ball is red and the second ball is blue. That is for the first possibility, or the probability that the first ball is blue and the second ball is red. That is for the second possibility. From the videos on addition and multiplication law of probability, we learned that where you see and, you replace it with multiplication, and when we see or, we are going to replace it with addition. So we are going to do the same thing here. Now this is going to give us probability that the first is red times probability that the second is blue. We have or here, so you bring the addition sign. Here we had and, so you replace it with multiplication. When you come here, probability that the first ball is blue times probability that the second ball is red. Now all we need to do is to first consider for the first case, then we will also consider for the second case. So let's begin with the first case. Remember, we are selecting the 2 balls with replacement. So the probability that the first ball is red. In the bag, we have 6 red balls and a total of 10 balls. So probability that the first ball is red will be the number of red balls, which is 6, divided by the total number of balls, which is 10. That means that we have selected our first red ball. So we have it here. We bring the multiplication sign. We are going to select the second ball. But because we are selecting with replacement, we will drop the first ball back into the box. Then we will select the second ball. So before we select the second ball, we have 4 blue balls in the box and a total of 10 balls. Remember, we are looking for the probability that the second ball is blue. So it's going to be the number of blue balls in the box, which is 4, divided by the total number of balls in the box, which is 10. So this is for the first case. Probability that the first is red and probability that the second is blue. You have 6 divided by 10 times 4 divided by 10. Now let's consider for the second case. We have our addition here, so you bring it. For the second case, we are looking for the probability that the first ball is blue. Once again, we have 4 blue balls in the bag. So the probability that the first ball is blue will give us the number of blue balls in the bag, which is 4, divided by the total number of balls in the bag at that time, which is 10. It means that we have selected the first ball, which is blue. So that ball is now out of the box. We bring our multiplication sign here. We are going to select the second ball. But remember, we are selecting with replacement. It means that before we select the second ball, we will have to drop the first ball back into the box. Then we will select the second ball. probability that the second is red. It means that for the second ball, we are selecting a red ball. We have 6 red balls in the bag, a total of 10 balls. So the probability is going to be the number of red balls, which is 6, divided by the total number of balls, which is 10. This is for the second case. So you see, we have considered for the first case and we have also considered for the second case. That means that probability that both balls are of different colors is going to be equal to 6 divided by 10 times 4 divided by 10 plus 4 divided by 10 times 6 divided by 10. And this is going to give us 6 divided by 25 plus 6 divided by 25, which will give us 12 divided by 25. So the probability that both balls have different colors is 12 divided by 25. The question also said we should find the probability that both balls have the same colors. We are going to do that in the next video. So see you in the next video and let's continue solving the question. Bye bye.